Dissatisfied Maharashtra Congress leader Narayan Rane issues an ultimatum to the Congress High Command. Narayan Rane says he wants the state's Congress chief post and at least the revenue portfolio in the Maharashtra government if the High Command wants him to stay in the party. Kashif joining us for more on this. Now, Kashif, are we expecting a decision one way or the other any time now as far as Rane is concerned?
This is not the first time Narayan Rane, a senior Congress leader, has issued an ultimatum. In fact, earlier as well, there were ultimatums issued by Narayan Rane. First, he was unhappy at not being chosen as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and then not given prominent portfolios. But after the Lok Sabha drubbing of Congress, especially in the Konkan region, which is supposed to be Narayan Rane's stronghold, after that, Rane resigned from the party's cabinet, from the state cabinet, and now has been lobbying for plum posts in the cabinet for his men. So this moment, today, we expect a press conference by Narayan Rane to clarify what he really wants and what are the demands which he has put forth to the Congress High Command.
Well, Kashif, that's the thing. He has been putting a lot of pressure on the Congress High Command ever since, he put in his resignation on the 17th of July. But we do understand that this time he's made it clear, since there's been no overture from either Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi for that matter. We understand that he has threatened to float his own party. And at this press conference, we are going to know one way or the other.
Well, yes, what we understand from sources, there is going to be a significant announcement from him, whether it's a new party or whether it's a new alignment with some other party, that remains to be seen. But at this moment, yes, there has been constant pressure from this Konkan region leader on the Congress High Command.